Greetings, my friends. This is Rick here, and I wanted to share an experience with you that I had just this very morning. I put this hair on and off my head every week without a hitch, but today was one of those days that did not go that way. I was taking my hair system off, and like I've said before, I have another one waiting in the wings to go on my head, which saves me a lot of time, and I just leave the one I'm taking off soaking in the C22. So I'd taken it off, I get the one that's all cleaned up and ready to go, and I put the glue on it, and I go to put it on my head, and it went on perfectly, got just in the right spot. The hairline looked great, and I was real excited. And so I take my little comb that I have in there, and I kind of, tap down the front edge. And well, over on the side, it was really kind of tangled up. And I thought, what is that? I looked a little bit closer and realized that when I'd cleaned that one up, some of the glue got under the hair, and which is a really bad thing when it dries in the hair like that. So I'm trying to comb through it. Plus, I did not have a drop of alcohol in the house. Usually I can spray alcohol on it, comb through it if there's some glue, and it's all good. I didn't have any. So I'm putting water on it. I'm trying to get it combed through, and nothing's working very well. So I just kind of bend over and I'm just combing like this. And I have a comb and I'm trying to very gently get through that glue to break through it with water, and it seems to be getting worse. And I think, what have I done? Well, when I finally turned my head up to look, well, in my combing it, I had pulled the front edge completely up, and more hair got in that. I wanted to go find some other kind of alcohol and just pour it down my throat. I decided, well, the only thing to do is to take this stupid thing off. So the glue is far from dried to the point, it'd be a problem. So I just kind of pulled it off. You talk about the biggest mess that ever was. I had it. And of course, glue is stringing all over the place. It's all over my head. It's down into my natural hair. Finally got everything kind of cleaned up, got the hair system soaking, and to mention that when I took it off, I got even more glue in the hair. It was bad. So it's in there soaking right now. So anyway, I get the new system and I get glue on it, and I get my scalp protector on it, and I go to put it on my head, and it goes fine. The only problem is the one that I had, and it's this one that I have, is one that doesn't exactly fit my bald spot because it's narrower, because I shaved a little further down because the hair had got so thin. And so it doesn't come all the way out to the hairline, but you certainly wouldn't be able to tell that, at all. So I went to put the scalp protector on, and I thought, oh, that burns a little. So I'm putting the glue on the system, which is what I do. I don't put the glue on my head because I can never get it matched up across the front. And I hate having some glue down on my forehead that's just on my head and not on the system. I put it on there, and then when I stuck my hair on my head, I thought, okay, burn, because I'd irritated my scalp by pulling the other one off and putting this one on. Quite honestly, it's been about 30 minutes since I put it on, and I can still feel it just a little bit. So if you ever get in a dilemma, you can just take that thing back off, and hopefully you've got enough time. And that's why it's always good to have more than one system on hand, because you never know when you're going to run into a bit of a problem like I did this morning. So I happen to have 3 right now that I interchange, and I didn't really want to use this one because the fit isn't right, but quite honestly, it's great. It's fine. Whew, I did it. It's over, but it was frustrating. But tomorrow is a new day, my friends, and I am looking good right now. Peace out. Take care.